probably heard of noise canceling. It reduces the distracting and fatiguing sounds around you that can spoil a great song or movie when you're on the go. This is a 60-second crash course in the technology so that you can better understand how it works inside your favorite headphones and earbuds. Ready? Start the timer. There are two established ways to reduce ambient noise: passive isolation and active noise cancellation. And many portable headphones use both. Passive isolation is simple. It's a physical barrier that blocks sound from reaching your eardrum in the first place. Active noise canceling is more complex. Tiny microphones built into the headphones listen to surrounding noise, then create an opposite sound wave to cancel it out using onboard power. Think of it like noise math. Noise plus anti-noise equals less noise. Let's play some airplane cabin noise through this head-shaped mic so you can hear the difference. This combo reduces the noise pollution you hear when commuting and traveling. Remember, physics dictates that active noise cancellation cannot eliminate distinct or sudden sounds like alarms or loud nearby speech. They change too fast for anti-noise to cancel or predict. But that's where passive isolation helps. With a good seal, both droning noise and background chatter fade, bringing you closer to your happy place. All right, here are some bonus tips to get the most out of your ANC headphones and earbuds. Number one, seal is king. Make sure there are no air gaps between you and your headphones or earbuds, especially along the jawline. Experiment with positioning, and if your earbuds offer a fit test, take it. This affects both passive and active performance as well as bass response. Let's listen to the difference. Some headphones have adjustable or adaptable noise cancellation. Try them all and see what sounds best to you. Wind and obstruction of the mics will affect the physics of ANC, so use anti-wind mode if offered, and keep that in mind when you're out and about. Some earbuds and headphones even use mics inside the sealed area, so make certain nothing obvious is blocking them either. That's a wrap for now. Enjoy the peace and quiet.